Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A80. To do this operation, go to your settings, the form, and search for wallpapers and themes. Here you have the wallpaper standard of your phone. Just choose one of them like this, and you can set the wallpaper of the home screen, lock screen, and home and lock screen together. So I'm gonna choose home and lock screen together. Like you see, you can choose the motion effect to run this wallpaper around the screen. I love this motion effects, so I'm gonna choose it. But if you want other wallpaper on your lock screen, just choose that and choose on lock screen some other wallpaper here and set as wallpaper. And just let's take a look. You see the motions? I hope yes. Anyway, this is the wallpaper on my screen, and the other lock screen is other wallpaper here. For now, I'm going to show you many of option of the wallpaper here, but you need to log in into your Samsung account. So you're gonna choose the themes and the other icons of the phone, and that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.